Yo, what's up? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. Come with me. Yo, what's up guys? It's your favorite mentor, Ofentse, Ledwaba, your one and only Forex hero. I'm back again with another video. As you know guys, once you start trading into the Forex market, that would manage to venture into other things. As you know that you must be able to invest in multiple businesses. So now what I've managed to do is to buy some coins, what you know as the first crypto. You know the first crypto is already all known all over the world, which is the Bitcoin, and everyone has taken part in buying the Bitcoin. But what I'd like to introduce to you is the new platform that I'm using, the best platform that has enabled me to be able to make some coins, which is the Bybit. As you can see now, I'm checking the market now just to see where I can invest, and you can also see that we also have the Bitcoin, and we also have other cryptos such as Ethereum. As you know, the crypto is a digital currency that enables you to send coins from one person to another. Why is cryptocurrency important? As you know, that cryptocurrency is very important because it is centralized and it can serve as a hedge against inflation. And also people are able to send money to one another with the cheaper transactions. It facilitates across the borders, and you can be able to send money from anywhere in the world. As you can see as well, I'm checking the market as well here on the platform. So Bybit actually gives you the opportunity to be able to trade the crypto and also be able to send money from one person to another. As you know that we are able to invest in a long term. Who is Bybit? Bybit is the most reliable crypto exchange platform in the world with a massive 99.9 uptime and fast executions. Their goal is to be able to serve all crypto users such as professional traders, such as you and me, newbies, institutions, and NFT lovers. So you're able to invest in crypto using the Bybit. Over 10 million people are using their platform. So without wasting much of your time, click on the link below to sign up. And now I'll be explaining the two types of trading that you can be able to trade, which is the spot trading and the derivative trading. While we're waiting our food, guys, let me explain to you what it means to spot trade and also derivative trade. What Bybit is offering. I would like to explain what it means. The spot trading is the trading that most people are known as in you are buying shares in a type of crypto. So basically you need to know that you buy crypto in a long term, you leave it, whether you are selling or buying. So it gives you an opportunity to do both. You can buy or sell, one of the two. So you are able to say, okay, I'm buying now and I'm leaving it. I'm gonna take profit. I'm gonna take my profit in the next 5 years. Just like many people managed to buy Bitcoin in 2010 and now they managed to capitalize. The derivative trading is when you are physically trading, just like us forex traders. You are trading the Bitcoin or you are trading Ethereum on the MT4 platform. So you are able to buy and sell and take profit whenever you like. You are able to swing trade whether you can buy or sell based on technical analysis. So that's just what I'm also doing as well. I buy long term and I also be able to derivative trade. So don't make a mistake of not clicking the link below and sign up.